Hello, my name is Alison and I'm a resin artist. I own the Fuzzy Comma art brand that's named after my little dog Pip here. I live in Bristol in the UK and I've been a teacher. For nearly 20 years. This is my first offering on Skillshare. In this course you will learn everything you need to know about how to put down a beautiful resin coating on either an artwork or a photograph. It might be glittering. It will certainly take your artwork to another level. So I hope you'll join me.